guys, I'm Eddie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take out the back seats of an R56 as the car passes by, of an R56 MINI Cooper. All you need to do this task is obtain one of these, which is a screwdriver, and the second thing you need to do is find a place to store these bad boys because they're heavy and they take up a lot of space, and chances are, in at least a hatchback like mine, one of the hardtops, nobody's really going to go in the back seat, so why not just spare yourself a little bit of weight? So you may be thinking to yourself, Eddie, why in the world do you want to basically take out the back seats out of your car? And I'm going to say, oh, it's because you're going to save a little bit of weight. So let's see how much weight you'll save. So this is obviously not scientific. This is a simple bathroom scale for my bathroom that, you know, just weighs me. So I'm going to get on it first. Right there you can see I weigh 173 on the dot. And now I'm going to get on the scale holding this seat with the headrest. $188.2. So basically, if I do on the spot math, this is 15.2 pounds. That's a lot of weight. And if you include two of these suckers, instead of being 15.2 pounds, you're looking at 30 pounds of weight reduction. Think about how much weight you save just by, you know, getting a carbon fiber hood, so to speak. It's definitely not 15.2 pounds times 2. So let's go ahead and install these seats. And before I get started shooting this video or showing you how to take the seats out, I want to show you what the end product looks like before you spend your time and look at all that. So take into consideration how this hinge over here looks. The same hinge is over here for when you remove the seat. And then you have your middle portion right here. And this is where you're going to be putting your screwdriver. I'm going to show you how in a moment. I'm going to put the seats back in. But this should give you a good idea of what you're going to be dealing with. I know working backwards might be a little bit counterintuitive, but I figured just showing you these components first would make it easier to understand how to take them out and how I'm going to go ahead and do this. Okay? Now I'm showing you what it looks like on the actual seats themselves. For example, this part right here is going to end up hooking up in there, or better yet, this one's going to be a little bit easier to see in there, so you can keep in mind when it's going to come off the hinge. And then this part right here, as there's a dog here right there, not my dog, previous owner's dog, that is going to slide right up there on the top. So let's go ahead and get started. Basically, you're going to slide your screwdriver, and then this allows it to come out. View from the top. Sorry about my shaky hand. And for the other side, just gonna slip it in right there. And you can separate it. View from the top. You're gonna match up this part right there with the hole over there. There it goes, it falls right in. And then this part right here, you're gonna tuck it in and just push down. Boom, your seat is back. Check that out. Simple, fast. Okay, to remove the seat, let's go ahead and slide this on out, tilt it forward, and it goes on out, like so. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me some thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you learned something from it. If you didn't, well, sorry. Hope you have a great day. Bye.